We at Novalynn are so excited that we were able to partner with Fertility Cloud. And I want to talk to you about at-home testing because that's what we do. And I do feel like it goes really hand in hand with the telehealth services that you guys offer. So what do you say to people, I guess, about the advantage of at-home testing, but also to the people who are skeptical of the process and the accuracy in doing it at home and then doing telehealth over the computer?
Sure. Well, anything that's new is going to be a little bit slower for people to adopt comprehensively. But with time, as people get used to it and the novelty wears off and it's proven to be effective, then it's going to become mainstream. And so certainly direct to consumer or at home testing is new, but there's been multiple studies, adequate and very, very good, robust studies demonstrating that it's as effective as going to the lab and doing a venipuncture. And so, in my opinion, I think for a population or a plurality of people that is more conducive to receiving their care at home, certainly more convenient. I think it's a great improvement, not necessarily a substitute, but an improvement of what's available out there currently. And so for people who are very busy, people who just don't like going to the doctor, and ultimately everyone in the future, I think this is a great, great improvement on what's currently available.